In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Payoneer account in a simple way. So at first, you need to search Payoneer on the website. You can see, and now you can click on the first link. As you can see, this is the official link. Click on it. Here you can see this register button. As you can see here, click on it, and it will start loading. And after loading, here you can put your first name, and here is the last name, and the country where you are living. For example, if you are living in Germany, click on it and you can write your phone number. But I'm not from there, so I'm putting my own country, and here I'm putting my phone number. Okay, and here you can see the work mail, and here you should put the working email, and my working email is this, as you can see. And you can put your business name as well, and you can also put your country where you are from. And here is written, tell us more about your business. Now you can fill this up. And after filling this up, here is written, I would like to receive communication from Payoneer. If you want to communicate with Payoneer, click on this. If you don't, then click on this. For now, I'm clicking on this. No, I don't want. And click on next. Let's wait for a while. Okay, now the registration is complete. And now let's sign it up. And as you can see, the boxes are already filled because we have already put these details. Now let's put date of birth, the year I was born. I was born in 2005, June 14. Yeah, this is my DOB. Click on next, and here is verifying browser. Now as you can see, the verification is completed, and after that, here is another page. And now put the street and number of the place you are living, and after that post the zip code of your place. If you don't know the zip code, you can simply google it. As you can see, this is the zip code 56600. And after that, put your phone number, and after putting the phone number, click on send code. Now enter the verification code. Now after that, enter the password, and again re-enter the password. Now click on the security question, and here are some questions. Choose and answer it. Now for example, you can click on which high school did you attend. Now select your nationality, and after that click on the ID type and select the ID. Here I am choosing national ID, and put your ID number. Okay, my national ID is this. Now click on next. As you can see, now we are almost done, as here is written. And now after that, select your bank country where your bank is located, and the currency, and also the bank name. My bank name is Global, and also your account number. And this is my account number, and click on agree, and submit. Okay, now your detail is in review, and it will take some days to review this process. And as you can see, your Payoneer account is in review, and it can take up to 3 business days. Now as you can see, after 3 days my Payoneer account has been approved. Here you can see, we are happy to let you know that we have approved your application for a Payoneer account and ready to get started. Here you can click on sign in, and yeah, now you are ready to go. Enter your email, password, and you can go with it. Here it has asked the question, and here is the step to verification. If you want to turn on your number, then you can. If you don't, then click on not now. And yeah, this is how you can create your Payoneer account and verify it.